Imagine waking up tomorrow and your Samsung phone suddenly feels like a brand new flagship, because that's exactly the kind of upgrade Samsung One UI 8.5 is promising, and trust me, once you hear what Samsung is quietly preparing behind the scenes, you won't look at your phone the same way again. Samsung One UI 8.5, expected to launch alongside Android 16 in late 2025, is shaping up to be the most advanced version ever, bringing powerful AI upgrades, new performance boosts, an all-new visual design, deeper personalization, and features that honestly sound like they're from the future. But stay with me till the end, because there's a hidden surprise Samsung is preparing in One UI 8.5 that no one is talking about, and I'll reveal it only for those watching till the end. Now, let's jump in. One UI 8.5 is getting major AI improvements powered by Galaxy AI 3.0, giving your phone the ability to understand your daily habits better, customize app layouts automatically, improve battery optimization using smart background control, and even rewrite messages, summarize long texts, and enhance photos in real time using on-device intelligence. The UI gets smoother animations, faster transitions, and lighter system processes, helping even mid-range phones run like top-tier devices. Battery life gets a huge upgrade thanks to new adaptive AI power mode, which learns how you use your apps and reduces power drain by up to 20% while still keeping performance stable. Speaking of performance, Samsung is introducing a refined performance engine that reduces lag, boosts app launch speeds, and improves heat management, especially during gaming or heavy multitasking. And the display experience? One UI 8.5 is getting a new dynamic light layer system that adapts color, brightness, and contrast based on environment lighting and what you're viewing, making movies look richer and games more immersive. The camera app is also redesigned with an AI-based auto-calibration engine that adjusts exposure, stability, and color accuracy instantly without you needing to touch anything. Night mode and portrait mode get major improvements, and Samsung is adding a Pro AI video mode that stabilizes footage automatically using frame-by-frame analysis. Even the lock screen and widgets are getting upgraded, offering more customization, animated weather wallpapers, gesture-responsive shortcuts, and deeper integration with Samsung's ecosystem, including Galaxy Buds, SmartThings, and the upcoming Galaxy S26 series. And if you're wondering about the launch date, Samsung One UI 8.5 is expected to roll out starting November to December 2025, first for the Galaxy S26 lineup and then reaching older models in phases. But here's where the suspense gets real. One UI 8.5 is rumored to bring a secret experimental feature called Adaptive Hologram Preview, a futuristic animation effect on high-brightness displays that creates a hologram-like depth when viewing photos and icons. Samsung hasn't confirmed it yet, but insiders say it's hidden inside the developer build and may appear only for those who enable the experimental settings. Now, that's something worth waiting for. And here comes your surprise. Samsung may add an exclusive hidden wallpaper pack that unlocks only when you complete a specific gesture pattern on the lock screen. Consider it a reward for true Galaxy fans. So that's everything you need to know about Samsung One UI 8.5, and if you enjoyed this deep look into the future of Samsung software, don't miss the next updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.